Good afternoon, church, pastor, the family, and friends. My name is Raila Odinga. With me are my two siblings.
I think you know us. I think you already know us. So Rosemary will read on our behalf.
I just wanted them to say their names, and you hear their voices as themselves. Once again, they've nominated me to speak on behalf of them. And I have, sorry, there's a speech they said I should speak because it talks on their behalf as well. I can't read it very well. I'm sorry, the mic is blocking it for me, but I'll just speak off the cuff. We've known Georgie for several years, and on the testimony of those who've spoken before us, you can see the political wing, his personal family, but over here I've also come with the larger family of the Odingas and the Oyos. So could the Odinga family please stand up, those of you who are here, and just wave. I know I saw Uncle Kevin. And the Oyo family, please stand up. Yes. Most of them, of course, are waiting back at home to receive Georgie. Georgie has been with us for very many years. And the person who introduced us to Georgie was our late brother Fidel. The two of them were very close together. Very, very, very close. And I'm sure if he was here, he would have had more to say than I have known. Some of us here grew up with Georgie in the home. For example, Winnie. You heard that Georgie came in the 90s. Winnie was about 2 years old back then. And you know, Georgie grew up really much in Georgie's hands. When we used to go to school, Georgie was there. When we came back from school again, Georgie was there. For me, who had traveled, came back, Georgie helped to introduce us back to the world, Nairobi and the village again. The people who are not here, the people in the home, those who work in the home, the workers in the home, they are not here. But Georgie used to coordinate all of us. In a room like this, when it's time to go, everyone would just look at each other, then turn to look at Georgie and would know it's time to stand up and go. He taught us to protect not only ourselves, but also those who work for us. So you did not just be a worker in the home. You are like a family member. You protected us, but we are also responsible to you and to your family and, of course, to the greater country of Kenya. So that is who Georgie was to us. We will miss him very dearly. Before we left, Georgie and I went to India together with my dad. He insisted that Georgie must go with us. And the friends in India keep on calling me to ask me, how was Georgie? 2 days before he left us, the administrator from the hospital called me to ask me, how is Mr. George doing? How is Mr. George doing? And 2 days after that, sadly, Georgie had left us. And I could not even gather the courage to tell him that Georgie was not with us anymore. I also got a call from the UK, right, and also from the US, because Georgie traveled with Baba all over, even as far as Nigeria. Phone calls from all over asking, is it true? Did Georgie leave us? Because Georgie had friends not just here in Kenya, but all over the world as well, and he'll be surely missed. I thank you all, and to his wife and the family. Poleni sana. We will stand with you, and I'm sure you'll also stand with us. Asanteni Sana Church, and may God rest his soul in peace.
May we appreciate the family of His Excellency Dr. Odinga once more. Thank you very much. Without much ado then, allow me to now invite Raila Odinga, the wife of George, to come forward for the tribute. I know Victor had done something, but please do come forward, and may the assistants come with her kindly.
Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Bwana Yesu asifiwe tena. Kwa majina naitwa Raila Odinga. Mimi ndio bibi ya George. First, nataka kushukuru sana, nataka kupiga asante kwa pastor yetu Muridhi. Tena napiga asante kwa waheshimiwa wetu wale wako hapa. Nimeshukuru sana our CS family of Jacom, Winnie, Junior and Rosie. Mimi hakuna kitu nataka kuongea juu ya George sahi. Cause nikianza kuongea juu ya George sahi, tutalala hapa. Na watu wote wameongea juu ya George, usuri yake. Sasa mimi ni nani niongee vibaya juu my love George Oduor? But I will talk about George nikiwa home Ndori, because saa ni machache. Sitaki kuchukua time kuongea juu ya George. Juu nikianza kuongea juu yake tutalala hapa. Asanteni sana kwa hayo machache. My love George, rest in peace. Thank you.
Thank you, and thank you very much. May God's grace be upon you. We have a tribute from the Inspector General of Police, and this will be read by Opio Philip, who is an assistant IG. Is it being read? Is it being delivered? Okay. I was about to, please, the microphone is there. Assist. Thank you.
Allow me to ride on the already laid protocol. My name is Philip Opio, an Assistant Inspector General. I work in the office of the Inspector General, that is Jogo House. The Inspector General was supposed to be here, but he traveled to Lamu today in the morning, and he sent me to come over so that we condole with the family. Others may not be aware why we are here as a police service. It is because George was a police reservist, and he has worked for the National Police Service for quite a number of years. So without much ado, I'll go straight to the message of condolence by the Inspector General. To Mrs. Karen Auma Oduor, condolence message for the late number 12525 Inspector Reservist George Oduor Nyangira. It was with profound shock and deep sorrow that I received the sad news of the passing of Inspector Reserve George Oduor Nyangira, an officer of the National Police Reservist, which occurred on 2nd April 2025 while undergoing treatment in Nairobi West Hospital after a short illness. George Oduor joined the Kenya Police Service Reserve on 20th January 2009 and was later transitioned into the National Police Reservist, that is NPR, on 21st November 2022. As a National Police Reserve, he has served as personal security AD to the Right Honorable Raila Odinga, EGH, where he demonstrated unwavering dedication and commitment, serving with exceptional loyalty and professionalism. During his long, honorable career, he proved himself to be reliable, steadfast, and devoted to duty. He undertook and successfully completed VIP close protection training both locally and internationally, including courses in South Africa, Israel, and United States of America. These accolades are a testament to his capability, preparedness, and contribution to the security and welfare of his assigned role and our nation at large. We have indeed lost a dedicated officer, a patriot, and a man who served with honor. On behalf of the entire National Police Reserve and on my own behalf, I extend our heartfelt condolence to his family, friends, and colleagues. To the Right Honorable Raila Odinga and his family, we express our deepest sympathies and stand with you during this time of great loss. May the Almighty grant you strength and comfort. May the soul of Inspector George Oduor Nyangira rest in eternal peace. Signed by Douglas Kanja Kirocho, MGH, CBS, OGW, Inspector General, National Police Service. Thank you and may God bless you.